If you have a dull skin or your skin is not just glowing, it's not giving you what you want, then today's your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to go from a dull skin to a glowing skin using the skincare products. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. Today's video is a requested video. Some persons have been in my DM asking me, Judith, what should I use to achieve a glowing skin? Judith, my skin is not skinny. No matter what skincare product I use, it's not just glowing. So if you're one of those battling with a dull skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you the best shower routines body care for glowing skin and how to take your dull skin to a glowing skin using the skincare product. So let's dive right into it. So there are many things that can make your skin to look dull. Like number one is aging, because as we age, our skin loses its moisture and hydration. And lack of hydration is also another cause of dull skin. If your skin is not getting enough water that will keep it hydrated, it's going to appear dull and dry, especially in the winter or dry season. So another major cause of dull skin is build-up of dead skin cells. When we are young, our skin tends to shade itself, like it tends to get rid of the dead skin cells on our skin by itself on a regular basis to review that young, healthy, glowing skin. But as we get older, the dead skin cells no longer shade as they should. So they tend to build up on the surface of our skin and make our skin look dull, flaky, and patchy. So now, if you want to get rid of your dull looking skin, you need to gently exfoliate your skin. So exfoliating the skin is actually key to achieving a glowing skin. Since your skin cells can no longer shade itself, you need to assist it by exfoliating your skin. So when exfoliating your skin, you want to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. And there are various ways to do this. You can either choose to use a physical method or chemical method. So you can choose to use a physical scrub to exfoliate your skin, or you can use a chemical exfoliant such as your exfoliating cleanser like the Cerave SA cleanser, or you can opt in for your exfoliating toners like the glycolic acid toner or the Paula's Choice. So personally, I prefer chemical exfoliation to physical exfoliation because it's more mild. So I actually have a very detailed video on how to properly exfoliate your skin. So I'm going to link the video somewhere here or in the description box so that you can actually check that out. So you also need a good moisturizer if you want to go from a dull skin to glowing skin. So when picking a moisturizer for your dull skin, you need to go for moisturizers that hydrate your skin and fight any form of dryness on the skin. So one of the best moisturizers that I would advise you use for your dull skin if you want to get a glowing skin is the Cerave moisturizing cream. Like, this is a very nice moisturizer. It's not expensive. It's sold at the price of 7,000 naira. And I love the fact that it can be used on both your face and your body. Like, this Cerave moisturizing cream contains ceramides that helps to moisturize and lock in moisture into your skin. So the third step you need to observe if you want to transform your dull skin to a glowing skin is using a sunscreen. So you definitely need to wear your sunscreen every day if you don't want a dull looking skin. So you need to wear your sunscreen every day if you want to really achieve a glowing skin. The sun is not your friend. It can burn your skin or make your skin look dull. So when getting a sunscreen, I would advise you get a sunscreen with SPF 50 and contains both UVA and UVB protection. So another tip to going from a dull skin to glowing skin is to add a serum in your skincare routine. So when picking a serum for your skin, the key ingredients you need to look out for are vitamin A, that is your retinol. Using vitamin A will help to stimulate your skin and make it look young and radiant. So another ingredient or serum you will need is a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is also very good when it comes to brightening up the skin. So this vitamin C serum is going to help you achieve that glowing skin. So using a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine is definitely going to help brighten up your skin and achieve that glowing skin, like it's going to brighten up your skin. So I actually have a video on the best vitamin C serum that are very active when it comes to glowing the skin. So I'm equally going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So the last tip that nobody talks about is your diet. Like, you need a glowing skin diet if you want your skin to go from a dull skin to glowing skin. Like, you need high protein food in your diet if you want to achieve a glowing skin. And you can also take fruits like oranges, apples, watermelon, and the list goes on. Like, these fruits and food is going to help you achieve a glowing skin. Like, eating healthy food is definitely going to help you achieve a glowing skin. Like, when you feed your skin from the inside, it's going to reflect on the outside. So you also need to cut down on your sugar and alcohol intake. Like, these are not skin friendly. They are going to make your skin feel dehydrated. So I've actually gone ahead to put together a skincare routine for dull skin to glowing skin skincare products you will need, and the best shower routine body care for glowing skin. So the first product you will need in your skincare routine if you want to transform your dull skin to glowing skin is a cleanser. So you need a gentle face cleanser if you want to achieve a glowing skin. And the cleanser that I love is the simple moisturizing face wash. This is very affordable and gentle on the skin. So it's actually going to help transform your dull skin to glowing skin. So you can basically use this in the morning and at night to wash your face. So the second product you'll be needing is a moisturizing cream. And I love the Cerave moisturizing cream because it's very much affordable. I think it's sold at the price of 7,000 naira, and the fact that you can actually use this on both your face and your body makes it a good buy. Like, this is a very nice moisturizing and affordable cream that you can use on both your face and your body in order to achieve a glowing skin. It contains ceramides that is going to help retain moisture on your skin. So the third product you'll be needing in your skincare routine to achieve that glowing skin is a sunscreen. And I love the Skin Aqua sunscreen. I also have a video on the best sunscreen that will not leave you with a white cast. So I'm equally going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check it out. So the fourth product you'll be needing in your shower routine body care for glowing skin is an exfoliant. So like I said before, you can choose to use a physical scrub or you get a chemical exfoliant. So for me, I actually prefer you use a chemical exfoliant for your face and use your physical scrub on your body. So the chemical exfoliant that I love is the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Like, this is definitely going to help gently exfoliate your skin and get rid of the buildup of dead skin cells on your face to prevent that dull looking skin. So if you cannot get this, you can actually get the Paula's Choice 2% BHA. It's also going to help mildly exfoliate your skin. So for your body, I would advise you use a physical scrub. And one of the scrub that I love is the 3 hot scrub vitamin C1. Like, this particular one is going to help you achieve that bright, smooth, soft, healthy looking skin. Like, this is going to help you review a more brighter and younger looking skin. So all you need to do is to use these products to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times in a week. So the next product you will need in order to go from dull skin to glowing skin is vitamin C serum. And I actually love the Skin Surgicals vitamin C serum and the Timeless vitamin C serum. Like, using vitamin C serums in your skincare routine is definitely going to make your skin glow. So I also have a video on the best vitamin C serums and affordable vitamin C serums that you can use on your skin. So I'm going to link all of that in the description box. So another product you'll be needing if you want to transform your dull skin to glowing skin is vitamin A. So if you're using vitamin C and retinol in your skincare routine, you need to use them at alternate times of the day. So your vitamin C should be used in the morning and your retinol should be applied at night. So if you're using retinol at night, you should learn to exfoliate your skin in the morning. So all these products is going to help you achieve a glowing skin. So now let's talk about how to properly use this product. So if you want to use these products that I just mentioned, you want to start off in the morning using your face cleanser. Once you're done cleansing your face, go in with your exfoliating toner. And once you're done toning your skin, apply your vitamin C serum and then follow up with your moisturizer and finish up with your sunscreen. So at night, you want to follow the same routine, but this time you won't be exfoliating or using your vitamin C serum. So you need to cleanse your face. Once you're done cleansing your face, go ahead and apply your retinol and finish up with your moisturizer at night. So for your body care routine, so once you're done washing your skin in the shower, apply your Cerave moisturizing cream, then follow it up with a body oil to lock in the whole moisture into your skin and help your skin stay hydrated. So a well moisturized skin is actually a glowing skin. So if you keep your dull skin well moisturized, is definitely going to glow. So that is it on how to get glowing skin or go from dull skin to glowing skin using the skincare products. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.